Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I'm going to discuss Euro US dollar, plus I have uploaded a video on my strategy. So I will be using that same strategy to analyze Euro US dollar and to predict and make a forecast about the upcoming week, that is starting from Monday 7th of August 2023. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Plus you must also have got some nice trading decisions on the Euro US dollar. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. I have a bunch of trades that are open at the moment, and all of you may know that I am a long-term trader, and a long-term trader mean that a long-term trader can leave their positions for 2-3 weeks without any hassle. And I like to trade with this strategy for long term, but I have also shown you on the intraday and the scalping level that it do work very well. So let me activate the pen tool, and after that I'm going to start the session. If you want to note down the levels, you can. That will be a very nice thing to do if you can. So let me check the pen if it's working or not. Yes, exactly, it's working. So now let's move on to the chart and let me give you the analysis for the previous for the upcoming week. And before that, the previous learnings that I provided on my channel, I will be recalling some of those levels so that our minds can be like refreshed, and with a refreshed mind and a fresh mind we can analyze the market very nicely. So first thing first, I'm going to delete everything. A very clean chart I have right here, and as soon as I delete everything and I see, just ignore these trades for now. So if you see, I can easily say that Euro US dollar is trending up, and before I identify a trend, just have a look at it. It is a very nice and sharp trend right here, and you may know, and you can check my previous videos for education and for learning. You can check out my previous videos, and I'm sure enough if you do, you will understand these things. So first of all, what the market did right here is we have got a start point which I clearly mentioned in my strategy. So we have got a start point which I call the A, and then this pattern. And if you see, we have got an initial sign that okay, the trend that was coming down with us right here, so we have got a break above the previous high, and now the market is going to be bullish. So this was the initial sign right here, and even most of the traders may not took this particular trade, but you may remember that from here I took it, from here I took it. Very nice. So the market went back up, and just have a look at it, A, B, C, and that's approximately the D, and from right here another A, B, C, and there is the D. So two ABCD patterns I have got, and when I was analyzing the market, I was clearly showing you these things. I want to show you them today so that you can get a clear idea. After that, what happened is I wasn't interested in this sell opportunity. Why? Because once we get, like, see, this is the previous trend coming down, and once we get a break above this recent high, it means any sell opportunities it is giving to me, like the trend is just recently broken, the trend was recently broken, and there wasn't any enough data on the basis of which I could plan a sell trade, so I did not, and that's why I waited for 61.8% retracement. Here I want to tell you one more thing, and that one more thing is that sometimes we may miss 61.8% retracement, just like in this case I completely missed, and I was very sad in those days, I guess in June. But anyways, this is market. So once we get a reversal from right here and a breakout, there was another trade opportunity, not this one. Remember, this is a breakout wave. I will be explaining it in a separate video. Breakout wave, right? There's a breakout wave and this is the retest. So right here, if you see, this is an A, this is B, this is C, and D was then completed. Now at that stage, it was very nice ABCD pattern, plus the euro dollar maintained a very nice channel to the top side and up one. So obviously sellers were advised from their sell trades. I didn't took that, and right here we have got another support. Till now so far what you see is 61.8% retracement, retest, higher high, ABCD pattern, and similarly right here again a break of support and the continuation, which I definitely traded this. And if we see, this was, let me change the color of it, this was this pattern with us, which has got completed A. This is, be sorry about the messy chart, but if you are dealing with ABCD, and D was somewhere up there, but we have got a 61.8% retracement, and market tried to break this level A, B, C, D, but right here at the 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave, the market stopped and continued back up and completed this point D, and the story completes there. So what after that, I said that okay, this is nice. Now from here till here I have like there is a very nice A to B established already, but there is one problem, and that I want to tell you. No doubt I'm holding a bullish position right here, and it is from my previous videos it is showing 1.14 for now. That depends on the market volatility, but in the upcoming week there will be very less volume expected till Thursday. So 3 days like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, low volume days, and I can assume that this market may be retesting at least this zone once again. Why it will be retesting? Because we have got a very nice trend that is established. One thing that I'm definitely afraid of is that market has moved so much from here till here, because that's the end point. In the strategy video I have clearly mentioned that, but obviously this is forex market, and anyone who took buy trades from right here, the ideal stop loss is just this much, near 1.05367, and this is the whole thing. So it is now showing me an up wave, but just if you are familiar with my strategy, I don't try to cover the whole C to D leg of the move as a one, but let's say if this is A and this is B, this is C, so C to D leg I definitely try to intraday, day trade, weekly trade, and slowly and gradually I try to take profits from the market. On the long-term accounts, definitely I take a buy position at C, put my stop loss at A, below A, and target at D. Some partial profits I close near point B. Very simple it is. Now there is obviously one other aspect for the upcoming week. Since now it is showing me an up wave, let's switch to the H4, and on the H4 I have to find out that what trend is going on. Obviously this trend, if you see, is with us from like May and June, and this is still a retest right here. So obviously we have got from there another ABCD pattern as a bearish one. Here I will give you another concept about the market. You may remember that I said that if this is a bigger impulsive wave, this is also possible in a bearish flag, and these days there are flags going on in the market. So A, B, C, D, and then from here a smaller one, B, C and D. To me, this image, if you look at it, the market did exactly the same, because on higher time frames the market is obviously going up, and right here it's stuck into a bearish flag. So this is in the upcoming week very much important, that and very much possible that the market is going to retest 1.1151 and beyond that, because several breakout points I want to discuss. Since if you see, let me show you this. If you see, market started its rally, it came down further, and right here if you see, from here the market went back up. Why you see this sell candle right here? Because if you look back, we have a very nice support. That support became resistance right here, and even on Friday that became resistance. So if you are support resistance trader, still even in a very strong bullish market, you got this sell opportunity. The profit depends on you, how much you want to take from it. Now I want to see a little bit pullback, maybe if the market can form this double bottom. I will try to close this trade and this trade before market do that, because suddenly the market, I'm not sure if it will be suddenly breaking it this level. It definitely will be with a slow volume candle. Remember my words, with a slow volume candles trying to come back down, and from right here near 1.09400, if you can manage to take buy trade, that still will be very nice one. If it respects this level, then this will be broken, then similarly from there and there. So market at the moment is completely bullish. There is obviously one sell opportunity that I want to show to all of you. First, let's have a look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, if you see, there is a Fibonacci number I have, and right here at 1.11541 I have a very nice Fibonacci number right here. So very ideal to look for if you are holding this position from here. 231 pips has not gone anywhere, and this level I think I will be looking at for sell opportunity before Thursday. If it do that, it will be very ideal for sell opportunity. Maybe on Thursday and on Friday market do the same thing, because this is what it is showing me at the moment. Clearly the support level has been respected by the price, and even if you see, we have got like, once you get used to the strategy, you will see, you will find these patterns everywhere. Sometimes you may trade, sometimes you may not trade. Let's say this is ABCD pattern. If you are following this bigger wave and you are away from the PC, you may not see that. So these waves definitely I recommend for intraday traders, and on intraday traders 80-90% of the time the trade gives good profits. See, again a double bottom strategy, yet I have to cover this and the market continue back up. So very simple things, my friends, these are, but sometimes when there is lack of motivation in the client and in the audience, when you have, or in the traders, when those traders have lack of motivation, when they cannot wait for the market, then I think they should definitely be focused on learning. And as far as the learning from my side is concerned, I'm giving it Monday to Friday daily. Even I have shared my strategy with all of you. So till now, so far I was doing this whole thing on this strategy. And remember, even if you tell this strategy to someone else, no one will be able to copy that. You can make other strategies with this one. So try to learn it and master it with me. And remember, for the entire life you will be giving me prayers. So let's see if there is any other concept that I have missed. I think this is pretty much it for today. The euro US dollar, this whole upcoming week I will be following it, and I will highly recommend you to join me and watch, to click on the subscribe button with the bell icon, so that you never miss any update from my channel. Looking forward to see you on Monday. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.